Everybody, welcome to episode 5 of Talent Search Cymru, and I have a feeling that this one's going to be an emotional one. It's Inspired Artist Week. Are you all prepared?
Oh yes, it's Inspired Artist Week, where all the contestants take on songs they are inspired by. Are you ready? And now, let's begin the show.
Right, so Inspired Artist Week this week is going to be packed full of emotion, it's going to be packed full of vulnerability. What are we all thinking?
I'm actually really excited to see what actually they bring out of the bag. What does inspire these individuals? I really want to see who they want to become as artists. I'm looking forward to that.
It'll be interesting to watch them all together and see how far they've all progressed and how much skills they've learned from the audition to this date, because the quarterfinals next week and we've got a massive decision to make that top 8.
I agree, it's definitely going to be probably the hardest week we've had so far to send 2 people home, but of course they've got to go off name, so we'll see. Let's see who's the strongest during this week.
Up first, it's Delicious D.
I'm just going to introduce what I'm going to do really quickly. So for Inspired Artist Week, I had a big long think. This song for me was the first song that I ever wrote, and it showed me for the first time, it taught me the lesson that music can be so powerful when you put in emotion. This song is called Off My Mind. Pulling me down, deeper down with every stride. And there I look in your eyes, and I'm constricted, I feel so confined. Cause you played on my heart like the strings on a harp. My love can't go on, but this feeling I yearn keeps me here and it burns. I'm caught in a maze, I got nowhere to turn. Can't shift you off my mind. No, I can't shift you off my mind. Can't shift you off my mind. No, I can't shift you off my mind. From the start, from day one I said you to my heart, but now I see we couldn't be further apart. It's a laugh, it's a joke, and I'm losing all my hope. I've got a spinning compass, I don't know how I can cope. And then you throw me a rope so I can stay afloat in a sea of despair, and I hold in my phone, waiting for your mixed messages drafted in notes, and the words seem to cut my throat as they go down and tickle this crew. My God, I have this feeling that you don't love me as much. Can feel it in your smile and even in your touch, but I know when enough is enough, and I know that it's rough, but I'm stuck here with no end. I pretend you're a friend that always spend the weekend, and I thought I would have got you something gentler, but the love that you send isn't quite what you meant. Cause you played on my heart like the strings on a harp. My love can't go on, but this feeling I yearn keeps me here and it burns. I'm caught in a maze, I got nowhere to turn. Can't shift you off my mind. No, I can't shift you off my mind. Can't shift you off my mind. No, I can't shift you off my mind. Yeah, I told you I needed some love. Yeah, I needed some love. Yeah, I told you I needed some love. Yeah, I needed some love. Yeah, I told you I needed some love. Yeah, I needed some love. Yes, I told ya, I told ya, I told ya, I told ya. You played on my heart like the strings on a harp, my love can't go on. But this feeling I yearn keeps me here and it burns. I'm caught in a maze, I got nowhere to turn. Can't shift you off my mind. No, I can't shift you off my mind. Can't shift you off my mind. No, I can't shift you off my mind. No, I can't shift you off my mind.
What a lovely performance, and I loved the message that you brought tonight in terms of Inspired Artist Week. That is really what it's all about, to show us, what you want to become as an artist or what's really inspired you to do what you do. And I love the message that you brought across tonight. It was really nice to hear something different from you. Although I love the stuff you've done for us previously, it was just nice to hear something that was, a very different kind of theme, very slow. The guitar was lovely. I'm so glad to see that back. And I loved your chord progression. It was such a beautiful chord progression you chose to write that song, which I loved. I really liked that I could hear your vocals a lot more tonight than we've been able to. And I could really hear you sing, which was nice. And a really pleasant surprise, to be honest. Now, I don't want to be really critical tonight, but, the competition is heating up here. For me personally, I don't think it was the right key for you. I feel like potentially it was a little bit too low. I did love the bridge when you done that high note, that big belty note. And I think that was probably the part of the song that showed the most potential in your voice vocally. For me, I love this. And I would love, if you're successful this week, to hear, although I love the looper and I know you're here for creative reasons, but if I could just hear just your voice, just to a backing track, it would be lovely just for the once. And then you come back with a looper. But it would just be nice to hear the full range of your voice, just so I know exactly what you've got to give. But I loved the performance regardless, and really well done.
Dee, honestly, mate, you brought a completely new tone to this week from what we've seen so far. And it seems that no matter what week comes at you, you always bring something new, which is what I love to see about you and why I get so excited every time you perform, is because it's that mystery of what's going to happen this time. Because obviously this feels a lot more stripped back. It's not, very upbeat and you're throwing your hands in the air. It's almost like you've brought all of the emotion and feeling about something. I'm not sure what the song's about, of course, but that's something, and you've put it out to us. And you've kind of made yourself look vulnerable up on the stage. And honestly, like Lily said, we got to hear a lot more of your voice this time. There was still the faster paced singing, I would like to. I wouldn't say the rap, let's just say rap for lack of a better word. But there was a lot more singing. And I thought your voice was really, really good, mate. And this performance this week, I found it showed that you do have power behind your voice. Because, before, obviously, we didn't hear those really emotion-filled notes that you could have given, and you give her today. And honestly, I love my slow, sad songs, so that made me feel some kind of way. And anybody who knows me knows I love them. But I disagree with Lily when she said about the song was a bit too low for you. I thought it was fine. Because it added that light and shade, it added the contrast. So having those nice soft notes and then having the big notes. I think what it might have been is the microphone maybe wasn't loud enough at the start, so those lower notes didn't come through as much. But I still think I did hear them, but they weren't probably loud enough so that you could hear the kind of pitch you were doing right. But honestly, I thought it was an absolutely amazing performance. Well done, Matt.
Oh, Oh, well done, Dee, buddy. Definitely, I really loved the different vibe we wrote tonight. You know, obviously you already said, oh, I'm going to bring something different. So I was like, oh, what's going to happen here today? But it was a lovely bluesy kind of track to start off with, you know. Well, it was quite bluesy all the way through. And you conveyed the emotion of that song really well. And you could see like the pain in your eyes and, you know, all the emotions throughout the song. I love the build of the song as well, because you didn't only just sing a song all the way through, you actually built it layer by layer, you know, and I thought that was fab. I agree in some sense with Lily in regards to like just hearing more of you as singing, like with potentially a backing track. Or I would just say, like, look at your mic and the level of your mic so we can hear you singing more. I've already told you this prior, but I'll tell you again now. You do remind me a lot of Panic at the Disco, and you know, if you was to ever try one of their songs or something like that, you know, I'd love to listen to it. But other than that, I think bringing out your own original song, I got to take your hat off for doing it, because you know it is a hard thing for anyone to do, and I think it was a lovely first performance. So well done, Dee.
Next up, it's Ruby.
So the reason I picked this song is because it's from The Fault in Our Stars, and it's a film about people who have cancer. Both my grandparents suffered with cancer, so that film has just like helped me through, and so has this song helped me through the process of dealing with that. We know full well there's no time. So is it wrong to toss this line? If your heart was full of love, would you give it up? 'Cause what about angels? They will come, they will go, make us special. Don't give me up. Don't give me up. How unfair, it's just our love. Found something real that's out of touch.
Ruby, well done. What a beautiful performance that was. And I loved your message and why you chose that song. I think most people, that my life was also affected by cancer. I lost my dad when I was 18. So it meant a lot to me too. And so just thank you so much, because that's such a beautiful tribute for all of those that we've lost and those who are struggling now. So that's just my first thanks for that. I loved hearing a different side of your voice tonight. We're used to you doing these big belty power songs, and it was so lovely to just hear the angelic side of your voice. Although it was still a big song, it was just different to what we've heard before. And I loved that you were doing your falsetto for a lot, really, of that song, a big majority of that song. And when you did do the belty note, it gave me goosebumps. It was fabulous. So for me, it was a massive step up from last week. I know up-tempo you struggled with in terms of picking a song anyway. It was just not really your forte. But for me, this was so much better. So congratulations, you've done really well.
Ruby, that performance was really, really good, okay? Hearing your story at the start and hearing, you explain why you're singing the song made me listen to the lyrics of the song, and it really got to me to the point where I had a lump in my throat, because myself, I'm obviously going through something like that with my father. He's sitting in the front row over there. He's battling through cancer at the minute as well. So I could feel everything that come through with you singing. You could really feel the emotion behind your words. And like Lily said as well, it's really nice to hear the softer side of your voice, because we know you've got a lot of power, but to turn those power notes into those really gentle, breathy notes is something new that we haven't heard yet, which is so lovely to see you have that side to your voice. And honestly, and to keep the emotions in check as well on a song that means as much as it does to you is really, really difficult. And you did it really well to kind of only let, you still show the emotion, but you don't let it overcome you. So that is a real testament to you. It's a really good performance. Well done.
Ruby, what an absolutely beautiful song to pick tonight for Inspired Artist Week. I found your performance very mature. I found that when you took yourself up into your falsetto notes, they were so beautiful, so haunting, and you showed lots of emotion during that song, and you, like Ryan said, you didn't let it overcome you for a song that meant so much to you, which shows real maturity in how you come across on stage. I'm absolutely over the moon with how you've performed that tonight, and I think you've done fantastic, so you should give yourself a real pat on the back for that. Well done, babe.
Up next, it's Caitlin.
Stone cold, you see me standing, but I'm dying on the floor. Stone cold. Maybe if I don't cry, I won't feel anymore. Stone cold, baby. God knows I try to feel happy for you. Stone cold, you're dancing with her while I'm staring at my phone. Stone cold, I was your amber, but now she's your shade of gold. Stone cold, baby, God knows I tried to feel happy for you. Know that I am, even if I wish I could mean this, but here's my goodbye. Oh, I'm happy for you. Know that I am, even if I cannot stand. If happy is her, if happy is her, I'm happy for you.
Oh, Caitlin, wow, I am so excited. Are you proud of yourself? I'm so proud of you. Caitlin has struggled with a mental barrier in her own head that when she gets to a certain level of greatness, she just stops herself. She panics and she will not do it. So I'm so proud of you tonight, and you know exactly why, because of that high note that you've done over and over and over again in the studio, and it was fabulous. But then in her own head, she's like, but I can't do that live. And you can, and you did, and it was stunning. So I'm so proud of you, and you should be really proud of yourself. That should take away all your fears now of doing that up there, because you've just proved to yourself you can do it. You can do it. It was a really difficult song. It had loads of power. The way you controlled your voice was impeccable tonight. I loved your falsetto. I loved the high note that, of course, you've done. And honestly, for me, that was the best performance you've done. I still think that you are an underdog in this competition. You've really made your stamp here, and that was just incredible. Well done.
Caitlin, I completely agree with what Lily said. I do think that was your best performance this far in any of the weeks in the competition. You really, really did that song justice. It's a very big song, and it showed off a lot of your range. You had those really low notes, and then you had those really big power notes, and also the really lovely falsetto notes in there. And yeah, it just had a bit of everything. You know, it had the power notes in there, but it had those gentle notes. It had the light and shade. It had the falsetto. And honestly, again, like I said in multiple previous weeks, you got lovely vibrato to your voice as well. And it really comes through on songs like this. It was a really, really good audition performance. Well done.
Well done, Caitlin. What a beautiful performance that was. You've brought something different every week, and considering originally you was, before this, you was a musical theatre singer, and this season you've brought absolutely different kind of songs every week. I just can't, I'm just mind blown by the progress in you throughout this season, because every week you've stepped it up little by little, like as Lily said just now, and I've said in previous weeks, you are really like the underdog, you know. You kind of sort of started to fly under the radar, but now for me, I think you're stepping up and you're saying, I'm here, I'm capable, and this is what I can do. And you've got to believe in yourself, girl, because some of them notes you just hit tonight were absolutely breathless and stunning, you know, and they are difficult for a lot of people. So you've got to give yourself a lot of props, because you've done fantastic, and I'm just over the moon, and it gave me so much emotion and feeling to hear you sing that, you know, it was by far my favourite performance of yours. So you should be so proud of yourself, girl. Well done.
Now it's over to Jonathan.
I chose this song because I kind of lost a friend who decided he didn't want to go through life, I guess. And then the second song I wrote is like how that affected me. So yeah, it's been hard practicing it to the point where I not practiced it so I can stay away from it. So hopefully it goes fine.
You know I can't do this without you, but I will if I have to. Man, you gotta end this.
I can't help it, I've been feeling lost in this place. I can't help it, I've been feeling trapped in this space. Man, I can't help it, I just keep on looking out for your face. Is that the biggest mistake that I could ever have made? You know, at first it felt great because it made me feel safe, like you were here beside me. We were winning a race, but I knew it was all fake. I knew that it wasn't fate, it wasn't keeping up pace, it wasn't keeping me straight. And just when I thought I could never trust it again, you're standing there in front of me for real for another spin. You know I wanted to mend, now I don't wanna pretend. Now I don't wanna see the back of you just trying to defend this. But man, we gotta end this. Cause man, you're so defensive and reckless. It's endless, it's so repetitive. You know it's only getting me lost. I'm lost, lost, I'm lost. Tell me what you're thinking. I don't feel right, tell me what you're thinking. Tell me what you're thinking. I don't wanna tell you what I'm thinking right now, cause it's going down south, I don't see a way out. If I saw a way how, I would calm right down. But my sky's grey brown, I don't see a bright cloud. I don't wanna doubt, miss my life out, but it's out. I don't wanna see it how foul. I don't wanna feel it like wow. I don't wanna be here right now, so I bow, give my peace to the crowd. Cause it's too loud, but I do bounce, and I move round into new ground. It improves now, so there's two now, get a tune out. Think of all the things that you're grateful about. No doubts, thoughts come and go like clouds. Like pow, 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 get them down, get them out. I don't wanna drown in a cloud of my own doubt. I'ma shout and I gotta tell them how about how I flex when I step when I'm highbrow. If I left and my death is a timeout. But there ain't no timeouts, so this is our time now. So gonna make it time now. Don't stop just yet. You got the world looking in your window. Don't stop just yet. You got the world looking in.
Oh, well done, Jonathan. I can see that was really hard for you. Yeah. And I love that you done like two different perspectives of one situation. And it was nice to see your kind of take on what it would be like on that side and what it's like on this side. And I really enjoyed that. I always love your raps. I think you're very good at actually bringing a story to life. I think your diction is always really good and I can always understand every word you say. So it's much easier for me to follow the story as to what you're trying to portray. So I really liked that. And it was just a good performance. There's not really much else I can say, to be honest. You brought the same flow that you do. You're very good at doing that. You're very creative and you show us that every week. Your rapping skills are always on point and that hasn't changed. So it was a very nice performance. I like that you brought a little bit more meaning this week than you have in previous weeks. And I think that was a lovely tribute to your friend. I'm really sorry you had to go through that, but what a lovely tribute for him. And I'm sure he's looking down.
Jonathan, I've always said, mate, you were very good at what you do. You were a very good rapper. You know, you got a really good flow, got great breath control. And the song today, you know, it really showed how vulnerable you can be. You really brought your vulnerable side on stage and you projected that to everybody, which is not easy to do. So I really want to commend that to you. Like I said, it was a very emotional song. You could see how hard it was for you to be up there and sing it. You could see it kind of, in your eyes, you could see that thing of, I've got to fight to get this out. And you did get it out really well, mate. For me, unfortunately, I feel it didn't top last week. I feel that you took a step backwards from last week. Because last week when I heard you, it was very much, you know, wow, really my face. But this week I found this, that thing of it, you toned it down a little bit rather than toned it up like you needed to. But honestly, the performance was really good, mate. You should be proud of yourself.
Oh, well done, Jonathan. It's always hard to put your lyrics out there to people, and it's always really hard for like when you put yourself out there if people understand the song or not. You know, I thought you had great lyrics. You brought great flow. You know, I agree with Ryan. If I'm honest, you know, I feel like you kind of stepped it under, just because tonight you could tell when you said earlier, you know, I avoided practicing this. You could tell that you hadn't really done much with it, you know. However, you know, there is good points to it, do you know what I mean? I loved how you interlinked the songs together, where you brought in one of the lines from the next song into the first one before the music changed. I liked the emotion you portrayed across, you know. On times you did look like as if to say, oh my God, what am I doing? But I just, it did hit me a bit hard, really, the lyrics and the meaning of the song, because, there's lots of things anyway. But I just want to commend you for bringing that message out and showing us all, and well done, buddy.
Up next is the youngest in the process, Tiana.
I'm singing Warrior by Demi Lovato because I feel like that I am a warrior and I'm a fighter, and I'm going to fight for my place tonight. So. This is a story that I have never told. I gotta get this off my chest and let it go. I need to take back the light inside you stole. You're a criminal, and you steal like you're a bro. 'Cause all the pain and the truth I wear like a balloon. So ashamed, so confused, I'm broken and bruised. 'Cause now I'm a warrior. Now I've got thicker skin. I'm a warrior. I'm stronger than I've ever been. And my armor is made of steel. Can't get in. I'm a warrior, and you can never hurt me again. Out of the ashes, I'm burning like a fire. You could save your apologies, you're nothing but a liar. I've got shame, I've got scars that I will never show. I'm a survivor in more ways than you know. 'Cause all the pain and the truth I wear like a balloon. So ashamed, so confused, I'm not broken or bruised. 'Cause now I'm a warrior. Now I've got thicker skin. I'm a warrior. I'm stronger than I've ever been. And my armor is made of steel. You can't get in. I'm a warrior, and you can never hurt me. There's a part of me I can't get back. A little girl grew up too fast. All it took was one time. Never be the same. Now I'm taking back my life today. There's nothing left that you could say. 'Cause you were never gonna take the blame anyway. And now I'm a warrior.
a voice you've got. Honestly, girl, you surprise me every week. I don't understand how you can have so much in something so small. It's unbelievable. I love the reason that you chose that song. I think you fight for your place every week, to be honest with you. And I think you're very, very deserving of being up there tonight to fight once again. And you really did. I know how hard it is to sing that song. I actually done it for one of my weeks during my season. And it's a very difficult song to do. You have so much power that those power notes were just incredible, absolutely incredible. Your light and shade was spot on. And I think for me, it was the most powerful we've actually ever heard you so far. And for me, that was your best performance, which is such a good thing at this stage, because at this stage, we need to see that stepping up. And I think you've done it. So well done. You should be so proud of yourself.
Wow, Tiana, that performance was absolutely amazing. Honestly, like I said in prior performances, you got great control to your voice, especially on those power notes. You can hold them without going off key, without going off pitch, and they are so powerful and they're so clear to hear. And I like as well how you added the runs in the song, the vocal runs. You know, you showed off the agility to your voice, but you didn't fill the song with it. You gave us just enough. And I really liked that, because if you put too much in, it can get a bit boring. But if you add them in here and there, it's that thing of, I've still got it there, but you're not, it's just enough, it's tasteful. And I agree with Lily, what she said about, you fight every week for your place up on that stage, and you really do deserve your place up on that stage. It was a really, really, really good performance, and you should be proud of yourself. Well done.
Oh, well done, Tiana. I am absolutely over the moon with that performance tonight. You work really hard every week, and do you know what? I'm so mind blown. Like, you're 11 at the end of the day, and I do bring up your age a lot, because I just can't get over how mature you are for an 11-year-old. And in the past couple of weeks, you've just grown. You've just shot up from nowhere. Do you know what I mean? People do forget that you've just rolled up to your bedroom into this competition at the end of the day. You've learned new skills with your voice every week. And when we're in the studio working on things, you're like, can I do that? Can I do that? And then next week, like that, she does it. And she's like, oh, can I do this? And your work ethic, you work really hard all the time. On your performance now, because I'm chatting about your work ethic. It was absolutely beautiful performance. You added everything in that needed to be in. I loved how you showed off every part of your voice that you've learnt so far, and all the runs that you put in yourself. And I'm just overwhelmed and so proud of you, girl, because you just blow my mind. Well done, babe.
Now it's Kirsten.
So the reason I've chose this song is 3 years ago, I lost my best friend to suicide. And 2 years ago, my father passed away of cancer, which was quite sudden, didn't know he had it. And I never got to attend a funeral because he lived in Spain. So he passed away 2 days later. I had to watch a funeral on Zoom. And I've never got to say goodbye, so I really do wish I could just go and say goodbye.
I wish that heaven had visiting hours, so I could show and bring the news that she's getting older. And I wish that you met her. The things that she learned from me, I get them all from you. Can I just sit a while? We'll put all the world to rights. The little ones will grow, and I'll still drink your favorite wine. And soon they're going to close, but I'll see you another day. So much has changed since you've been away. at visiting hours, and I would swing by. And is your advice, what would you do in my situation? I haven't a clue how I'd even raise her. What would you do? 'Cause I'd always do what's right. Can I just talk a while until my worries disappear? Everything I'm saying, 'cause I'm not a failure. Remember that the answer's in the love that we create. So much has changed since you've been away. I wish that heaven had visiting hours, and I would go there to take you home. Know what they say, it's for the best. So I will live life the way you want it and make it all my own. I will close the door and I will open up my heart, and everyone I love will know exactly who you are. 'Cause this is not goodbye, it is just till we meet again. So much has changed since you've been away.
Kirsten, well done. That was so beautiful. It really was. I have loved watching you this season go from strength to strength to strength. And no matter what happens tonight, you should be so proud of yourself. For me, genuinely, I think you've got one of the most unique and pretty voices in this competition. I think your tone is just stunning. You're by far the best storyteller for me so far. And I always feel the words that you're singing. I know that was hard for you, and we really challenged you this week, and I could see you teared up a little bit at the end. But what I loved is you didn't let it affect your performance, and in fact, you took a bit of strength from it, and you really opened up your arms, you opened up your lungs, and you pushed that big note out. And that's the best I've heard, that note. That's better than what you've done in the studio. It was so, so pretty, and you should be so proud of yourself. I'm so proud of you, and I love how far you've come and how much you've grown. That's not nothing, Kirsten. It's not nothing. Well done.
Kirsten, I absolutely adored the song choice this week. I love Visiting Hours by Ed Sheeran, and to hear that really did make me sit back and listen to every lyric that you sang. And you could see and you could feel the emotion you put behind those lyrics. And like I said to, I believe it was Ruby, it's such a hard thing to sing a song that means so much and be able to keep the emotions in check, but give just enough so you can feel it in the song. And you did that really, really well. The power notes, they were filled with emotion, and they filled the room as well. Obviously, I think you had a little bit of timing issues here and there, just at the start, but you brought them back really well. You fought for it, and you finished off really, really, really well. And not only would your family be proud, but I'm sure that your dad would be very, very proud of you as well. So congratulations, it was a really good performance.
Oh, well done, Kirsten. I can really echo a lot what the other two have said tonight. You know, very pretty, unique tone. If I was to shut my eyes and turn on the radio and you come on, so to speak, I know it's you. It's a beautiful choice in song, and the emotion, you know, come across. And tonight I felt like you connected with the audience the most that you have ever done, and you really got into that song tonight. I want to give you props for obviously pushing yourself, doing things that you've never done before this process, because you wouldn't have ever tried to use a falsetto or a head voice before you come here, and I think you've done really well during this time in the process. And if you're successful, I just want you to keep going from strength to strength and keep pushing yourself, and just, you know, you were determined, you want to do well, but you were determined to work it on yourself, and you know what you want. But I think you've got to believe that as well. You've got to believe that you could do it. So if you are successful, I just want you to have that bit of belief in yourself and keep going. Well done, babe.
Here's Alex.
I chose this song because I love musical theatre, and it's probably the only reason why I'm here singing right now. So, all of the songs, probably most of them, they inspire me. But I only can choose one. So I decided to pick probably the most memorable song in musical theatre. God on high, hear my prayer in my needs. You have always been there. He is young. He is a friend. Let him rest. Heaven blessed. Bring him home. Bring him home. Bring him home. He's like the sun I might have known if God had granted me a son. The summers die one by one. How soon they fly on a dawn. I am old and will be gone. Bring him peace, bring him joy. He is young, he is only a boy. You can take, you can give. Let him be, let him live. If I die, let me die. Let him live. Bring him home. Bring him home. Bring him
Alex, a massive well done to you this week. That was incredible. I loved your song choice and I love your reason. We all know that you are musical theatre and you really embody everything that musical theatre is. And you do belong on that stage. I've said it before and I'll say it again. I can already see you now on Broadway with a big choir behind you there for that moment. It was brilliant. It really was. I loved how controlled you were with your voice. I loved the light and shade in it. I loved the way that I could really understand everything you were saying. That was brilliant. You really told the story. You brought just the right amount of emotion. And it was just incredible. Honestly, I stood up because I honestly think that was the best performance you've ever done here. And I really enjoyed it. Well done.
Alex, but honestly, I can only mirror really what Lily have said. You did that incredibly well. It was a really, really good performance. You sang it so well. There was loads of power in the song. There was loads of emotion that you put through. You know, you had a really nice use of the light and shade, and you did it all with so much control with your voice. And to hold the power note at the very end takes a lot of breath control as well, which you did so incredibly well. And yeah, like Lily said, and like I've said in previous performances, you just belong on Broadway. You belong in the West End. I can see you there, really now. And I would be very, very shocked if you don't end up there one day, because I really do believe you can do it, mate. It was a really, really, really good performance, and you should be proud of yourself.
Well done, Alex, my boy. Yes, you've done it tonight. I'm so proud of your journey so far because, you know, for you to get up on there tonight and give a reason of why you chose this song, you know, it's something that you wouldn't typically do, you know, because it took you a while to even speak in more than one sentence in the studio. So I want everyone to give him a round of applause to do that, because not everybody... Because a lot of people have confidence in singing, you know, but not everybody has that confidence in speaking in front of people. So you've got to give yourself a pat on the back for that. I'm absolutely proud with what you've done with the song. You've definitely stepped it up this week from last week. I agree with the guys. This is your best performance to date. And I just love the maturity of the performance. I loved how you presented yourself when you brought your hands out and you was like, I'm here. You know, because the last time you went on a mic stand, one of the comments you had was to loosen up, and you really did this time, and it shows great progression from where you was to where you are now. So I'm so proud of you. Well done, buddy.
Up next, it's Chelsea.
So the reason I have chose this song today is because on the 10th of September last year, my childhood bestie sadly passed away in a motorbike accident. I brought his family here today to listen and show how much I love them all. So yeah, I hope you enjoy.
Spend all your time waiting for that second chance, for a break that would make it okay. There's always some reason to feel not good enough, and it's hard at the end of the day. I need some distraction. It's easier some comfort here. You're in the arms of the angels, may you find some comfort here.
Chelsea, well done. That was such a beautiful performance once again. Your tone is just stunning. Honestly, you take my breath away every time you sing. I could just have you on replay over and over and over for hours. And I loved your reasoning for doing your song. Of course, this is the week and the theme to do that. So it was lovely that you had such a personal message and you were able to bring that on the stage tonight. It sounds like you two were really lucky to have each other. So in terms of your performance, I think you look so much more confident now up on the stage. And I don't see any nerves, and that's lovely. Even though that song meant a lot to you, you didn't let the emotions overtake you. You stayed very composed and you controlled your voice very well. Now, I got to be honest, when I heard the song choice this week, I was a little bit worried because it's such an overdone song. And I thought, oh no, I don't want you stepping back. But to be honest, you've done the song very well and you really did do it justice. But I would just point out, if you are successful this week, just as a mental note, I don't want you going backwards. So please just be careful with your song choices. This week it meant something to you and I felt like you needed to bring it. But next week, just make sure if you are successful that you really think about what suits your voice. For me, you're like a ready-made pop star that we could just chuck in the charts. So I don't want you doing these songs. Yeah. I don't want you doing these songs that are just overdone and a bit pep-like. So I just want to keep you very authentic and very unique. And I think the song choice is very important and key in that. So that's my only criticism and comment I could give you this week. But it was a beautiful performance and you should be really proud of yourself.
Yeah, honestly, Chelsea, Inspired Artist Week really does bring out the vulnerability in people when they get up on that stage. And it is one of those weeks where it can either make you or break you. And I feel that this did make you this week. You really did go up there and you did do the song justice. I do agree with Lily in the terms of when I heard the song choice, I thought to myself, oh no, I've heard this so many times before. But you did go up there and you did make it your own. You did do it differently to how I've heard anybody else sing it, and you did do it. It was Chelsea. It was you on that stage, and you made it yours, and it was really, really good. It was packed full of emotion. You could see that. You didn't let the emotion overtake you, which is really good. You had lovely use of falsetto to break up those power notes in there. And honestly, like Lily said as well, you look so relaxed on there. You really did look a lot more relaxed there. You look comfortable. And it was just, you could see you enjoyed it. But I do agree with Lily in the terms of make sure from this point on you don't go backwards. Because it's really important. You always keep on stepping up and up. And I feel like with the theme of the week, the song did fit very, very well. So you should be proud of yourself. Well done.
Well done, Chelsea, for a breathtakingly stunning song. You look absolutely phenomenal in that dress tonight. You look gorgeous. I loved the runs you put in that tonight, because there was some that you done really soft in the middle of it. And it was so beautiful to hear. As the other guy said, that song has been overdone, but I've never heard somebody sing it like you have. So I got to give you props for that. I agree with them in regards to, obviously, when you look for songs, really, really concentrate on finding them songs that will elevate you. You can come to any of us for advice, obviously, if you're successful going forward. But, I felt that your voice is too big for that song. I think sometimes people can pick a simple song and you can take it and you put your stamp on it. But I felt like there's songs out there that would match your voice so much better than that song. But I understand that had a meaning to you this weekend. It was a beautiful tribute and a beautiful meaning. So well done, babe.
Now it's time for Melissa.
to sing in the stars, I've chosen this because when I was very young, my auntie passed away, and this song really reminds me of her. Sunday mornings were your favorite. I used to meet you down on West Creek Road. You did your hair up like you were famous, even though it's only church where we were going. Sunday mornings I just sleep in. It's like I buried my faith with you. I'm screaming at a God I don't know if I believe it, 'cause I don't know what else I can do. I'm still holding on to everything that's dead and gone. I don't wanna say goodbye, 'cause this one means forever. Now you're in the stars and 6 feet never found so far. Here I am alone between the heavens and the embers. Oh, it hurts so hard. For a million different reasons, you took the best of my heart and left the rest in pieces. Digging for your own birthday letters, a crumpled 20 still in the box. I don't think that I could ever find a way to spend it, even if it's the last 20 that I've got. I'm still holding on to everything that's dead and gone. I don't wanna say goodbye, 'cause this one means forever. Now you're in the stars and 6 feet never found so far. Here I am alone between the heavens and the embers. Oh, it hurts so hard. For a million different reasons, you took the best of my heart and left the rest in pieces.
Well done, Melissa. That was such a pretty performance. You've got such an angelic voice. Honestly, your tone is just stunning. And it's very clear as well. So you really do suit songs like this. And it was really, really pretty. For me personally, I don't think you've done a step up this week. For me personally, I think your stage presence was better last week. And you felt more comfortable last week. That's just my opinion. And I think the others disagree with me based on them standing. So I could be wrong in this. But for me, I much preferred the way that you come across last week. I think you looked a little bit scared in your face, you know. I think you just need to loosen up a little bit in smiling and kind of feeling the words of the song, because we can feel it. So I just want you to kind of channel what you're singing and really kind of tell the story to us. But vocally, that was beautiful. You've done everything you needed to do. I think there was more power shown there than in some of your other performances. So vocally, some of that was better than what we'd seen. But yeah, you've done so well. And what a lovely choice to pick for Inspired Artist Week. So well done. Be really proud of yourself.
Melissa, honestly, I thought that was a really good performance myself. I can see in a certain sense where Lily's coming from in terms of not stepping up, but I don't believe it's a step back either. I believe you were on par with last week, and I agree that it did really show off the vocals, and last week you had more stage presence. However, I feel like with Inspired Artist Week, it kind of gives you a pass on the stage presence because it's very emotional, so you can kind of have like the mic stand there and you can put the emotion into the song and still give a really good performance. So I don't really think stage presence is that important. Obviously, it still is important, but not as important on Inspired Artist Week, at least for myself. I thought, obviously, the song was really emotional. I heard it for the first time a day ago, and I absolutely fell in love with it as soon as I heard it, and I think you really did do the song justice. You had really, really lovely, powerful notes in there. I thought you looked a little bit more loose than your other performances, obviously, because you tend to keep your arm there and you sing, but this time you kind of were pointing into your chest and you thinking, I'm feeling it, and you really did kind of loosen up a little bit. But honestly, I thought that it is a really big song, and I thought you did it justice. I thought you did really, really well, so you should be proud of yourself. Well done.
Oh, well done, Melissa. Even with the prior to filming, you know, the track difficulties we had, you still powered through like a professional tonight, and you picked up that track wasn't the right one at that point. So I got to give props for that to start with first. I do feel like you've taken a step up because, you know, you've really challenged yourself by taking notes up, and you've really challenged yourself in the sense of, you know, using your arm and hitting your chest and moving it out a bit, you know. And this is a girl who's really quiet. She doesn't speak in front of people either. So, you know, she's got up tonight as well as everybody else and spoken in front of a full room of people to say why she's chosen this song. You know, this isn't the kind of song that you can stand there and smile to. It's quite an emotional song, and the connection you have with it is quite an emotional meaning. So I got to give you props for handling yourself really well. So well done, Melissa.
Ending tonight's show, it's Donna.
I'll be singing the song Creep. Not because I am a creep, by the way, but basically, if you listen to the lyrics, it's basically about fitting into the world. And for many years, I didn't fit in. And probably about 4 years ago, I was diagnosed with ADHD. So then, obviously, I realised all them years prior, that is why I didn't fit in. So, yeah. So basically, it is okay to be weird. Not the creep, but weird. When you were here before, could look in your eyes, just like an angel. Your skin made me cry. You float like a feather in a beautiful world. We're so very special. I wish I was special. I'm a creep. I'm a weirdo. What the hell am I doing here? I don't belong.
you do? What the hell am I doing here? I don't belong here. I don't belong here.
Oh my God, Donna, you're taking the words out of my mouth. What a way to close the show tonight. I absolutely loved your performance tonight. I loved that we heard something so different to what you normally do. You're normally right at the top of your chest on those big belty notes. And we got to see that today, but we also seen that falsetto, very soft, very gentle and vulnerable side of your voice, which was stunning. And can I just say that you do belong here, actually. So yeah, it was just so haunting. And I think you showed so much more grit to your voice than we've previously seen. And for me, this was your best performance by far. And in all honesty, I think it was the best performance tonight. So well done.
Donna, I agree with Lily in terms of the way you sang that song was haunting. Honestly, it's such a big song, and you put the Donna stamp on it and you made it yours. And honestly, you had such good use of your arms to put emphasis on certain parts of the song. You know, like I don't belong here, pointing at the floor, flinging your arms about. I love to see that because it adds that performance side rather than just standing there. And you can see that you're getting into the song, you're feeling the song, and it shows us that you're feeling the song as well. And honestly, like I said, your power and control is outstanding. There's never anything I can say about that. And to add the falsetto there as well was a really nice change to break up the power. And I can't say anything else about it. It was absolutely amazing. And like, I agree with Lily. That is your best performance to date, honestly. It was really good.
Oh, well done, Donna. You absolutely smashed that song. It's great to hear somebody do it, you know, a little bit different, because it is a song that's been overdone, you know. I love the bit where you took it right up there, and it was beautiful. I gotta give you credit where credit's due, because you've really jumped outside the box with this song, because I wouldn't have expected you to pick this kind of song. The message that you've picked it for is absolutely beautiful. You know, weirdo for life. Yep. I think you've put yourself right up there now, you know, as a pretty strong vocalist. I'm happy to say that publicly, because I feel you are right now. You vocally put yourself out there, and you've done a fantastic job with that song tonight. And you should be so proud of yourself, and you need to start believing in yourself. Well done.
And now it's time for some special performances.
Kaylee Noakes!
Feeling nervous, aren't you, boy? With your quiet voice and impeccable style. Don't ever let them steal your joy with your gentle ways to keep them from running wild. They can kick it in your face, call you weak, and then displace. You have to carry your baby honey back across the desert. I see you tugging at your shirt, trying to hide inside of it, trying to hide how much it hurts. Let them live while they can. Let them spin, let them scatter everywhere. I have been to the movies, I've seen how it ends, and the jokes are there.
It's your brother's world for a little while longer. You gotta dance the devil on the river to cross the stream. Call it living the dream. Call it kicking the ladder. They come to kick dirt in your face. Call your weakness their displace. You have to carry your baby on your back across the desert. I see your eyes behind your hair, and you look tired, but you don't look scared. Let them live while they can. Let them spin. Let them scatter everywhere. I've been to the movies. I've seen how it ends, and the jokes are Let them live while they can. Let them spin. Let them scatter everywhere. I've been to the movies. I know how it ends, and the jokes are
Another powerful performance from Kate. Now it's time for Ryan.
Give it up for Ryan Ashton!
Remember all the things we wanted. Now all our memories, they're haunted. We were always meant to say goodbye. Even with our face held high, it never would have worked out right. We were never meant for do or die. I didn't want us to burn out. I didn't come here to hurt you. Now I can't stop. I want you to know that it doesn't matter where we take this road, but someone's gotta go. And I want you to know you couldn't have loved me better. So I want you to move on, 'cause I'm already gone. Looking at you makes it harder, but I know that you'll find another one that doesn't make you wanna cry. It started with the perfect kiss, then we could feel the poison set in. Perfect couldn't keep this love alive. You know that I love you so. I love you enough to let you go. I want you to know that it does someone's gotta go, and I want you to know you couldn't ever love me better. So I want you to move on, 'cause I'm already gone. 'Cause I'm already gone. Remember all the things we wanted. Now all our memories, they're haunted. We were never meant to say goodbye. I want you to know that it doesn't matter where we take this road, 'cause someone's gotta go, and I want you to know you couldn't ever love me better. So I want you to move on, 'cause I'm already gone. Well, I said I'm already gone. Remember all the things we wanted. Now all my memories, they're haunted. We were always meant to say goodbye.
What an emotional performance. Well done, Ryan. Now it's time for our most recent champion.
Give it up for Lily Evans!
This network inspires me, and without this network, I honestly don't know where I'd be, but I definitely wouldn't be on this stage today. So this song is called Feels Like Home, and it just replicates exactly how I feel about this place. So thank you so much anyway for all being here.
Something in your eyes makes me wanna lose myself. Makes me wanna lose myself in your arms. There's something in your voice makes my heart beat fast. Hope this feeling lasts the rest of my life. If you knew how lonely my life has been, and how long I've been so alone. If you knew someone to come along and change my life the way you've done. This feels like home to me. Feels like home to me. Feels like I'm on my way back where I come from. This feels like home to me. Feels like home to me. Feels like I'm on my way back where I
This feels like home to me. Feels like home to me. Feels like I'm on the way back where I come from. It feels like home to me. Feels like home to me. Feels like I'm on my way back where I belong. Feels like I'm on my way back where I belong. Thank you so much.
Wow, another special performance. Well done, Lily. And now it's time for the judges to make their decisions. This is getting almost too difficult. As we can see, 10 incredible performances this evening, but only 8 of the talents can go through to the quarterfinals. The judges have a tough decision ahead. The judges have made their decision.
The first person going through to the final 8 is Ruby. The next person going into the top 8 of this series and into the quarterfinals is Tiana. In no particular order, joining them in the top 8 of this series and into the quarterfinals is Alex. And going through to the top 8 is Caitlin. Joining them in the top 8 and into the quarterfinals is Donna.
Okay, so this wasn't easy tonight, and look, you're all talented up there. You know you're talented because you wouldn't have got this far. But what we had to think tonight is this is for the quarterfinals. You know, this is a really big stage now. This is towards the end. So when I think about who's going into the quarterfinals, I had to consider everything, not just tonight. Who's progressing, who's not, who I feel is just stagnant where they are. It's about performance for me as well as vocals now, because this is now at the very final stage of this competition. So unfortunately, my first vote is going to go to Jonathan. I'm really sorry. You know that personally, I really like you. I love your flow, and I do love you as an artist, but I feel like this was the week to step things up, and I just feel like, unfortunately, you just kind of stayed where you were last week. You know, I didn't see much of an improvement. I needed a lot more this week, so I'm really sorry. My second vote is unfortunately going to go to Melissa. It's the same reasons, to be honest. I feel like last week you had a very, very good performance. For me, your strongest by far. And I really need you to show me you and who you are. I need to see presence on that stage. So that's why my second vote is for you. I'm sorry.
So before I get into my votes, I just want to say a massive congratulations to everybody on that stage. You are all talented beyond belief, and you all believe on that stage. You all do belong on that stage. My first vote is going to go for Jonathan. Jonathan, you know I love everything about you, mate, and everything you do. I love your raps. You're such a feel-good artist. You're such an energetic person when you're on that stage. It's just like Lily said, considering every single performance you've all done, because you've got to take it into consideration, not just now and this performance today. And I just felt it didn't really show that. So my first vote is going to go to you, mate. But I want you to keep on going because you are amazing. My second vote today is going to be for Kirsten. Kirsten, the reason I've chosen you is because, like last week, I found that the timing issues were a bit of a problem and there was a mistake. And looking back on the performances, I just feel that you've made more mistakes than anyone else has in the competition. But you show so much heart when you're on that stage, and you really, really are talented. And I don't want you to ever forget that. But that's why my second vote is going to you.
I just want to stress that the quarterfinals is quite a big event. You know, it's one of them steps where you're that little bit closer to getting to the final, that little bit closer to taking that title. So this decision isn't taken lightly. But I'd like to say you all have done a fantastic job, and you've all progressed really well during this, this season. And I think you should have a round of applause for your progress so far. And my first vote will be going to also Jonathan. Sorry, my love, but you've done fantastic this season, bringing out your original lyrics. We're not doubting your talent in no way, shape or form. You've got fantastic lyrics and you've got a fantastic talent. And I just want you to start believing in yourself, push yourself forward, and just keep going with it. And that's why my first vote's going for you. My second vote is going to Kirsten. The reason why I'm voting for Kirsten is pretty much similar to Ryan's. Well, I'm so proud of how far you've come and how well you've done in this process, so you should be so proud of yourself. Well done, guys.
A big well done to Kirsten and Jonathan.
I want to be at your level.
That was harder, but we've got a quarterfinal.
This is getting even more tough every
Honestly, Paul, it is never easy to make the calls we're making, but again, the quarterfinals are next week. Any little mistake, you can go home. You've got to give everything you have, and it's got to be perfect. Otherwise, it could be the difference between you staying and you going. But the judging has to be done. The voting has to be made for people to go. That's where it is, it's a competition. But next week, it's going to be even more difficult to make a judgment call. But we have to see who goes at that point in time.
Hopefully now.
I am so grateful for the whole studio.
Hopefully the quarterfinals be easier. I doubt it.
Honestly, to even come on here, you guys are gassing me up so much. I got a video of and you were going like this, and that will give me like videos.
Didn't actually think I was going to make it through the first audition, but I've got this far, so best of luck to everybody.
Very blessed and grateful to be this far, and thank you to everyone on the Talent Search Cymru team, because you actually pushed me so far, much further than I expected to get. And I got to take all your tips and all your tricks, and I hope to come back another year. Just thank you for gassing me up and making me kind of accept that I am here, I am able to put my music out, and people are going to enjoy it. So I'm very, very grateful to be here. Thank you so much.
And that's a wrap.
Bring on the quarterfinals.
We have our final 8 talents. Don't forget to tune in next Wednesday, the 1st of March at 6 p.m. for our next special episode.
Tune in next week for more Talent Search Cymru.